Hello YouTube, this is John Cena Failed 1995 checking in. Well, today is February 4th, 2010. Double digits. This is my second video of the year. Right now, I'm just posting a video because I have nothing else to do. I just started this, new thing with the intro. I don't know what else. Sorry guys, I was interrupted. Well, I want to give a shout out to my friend Melissa. Hey Melissa, if you're watching this video, hello, what's up? I don't know. I'm gonna be making another video in the future. I have it posted on my YouTube page. Go check it out. If you want to subscribe, that's okay with me. I'm just here to have fun, make videos, and make friends. That's all I want. As long as you can comment and whatnot, that would be helpful for me, because I would like to have at least 1,000 friends to start with and have at least 1 million views in total of all my views. Thank you.